Your amygdala just heard lower value human capital and activated Ohio mode. POV, you're in that meeting. The boss drops the line. Your heart rate spikes. Your palms sweat. That's not a metaphor. Your amygdala just switched to Ohio, your brain's ancient panic button. The same neural circuit that once triggered fight or flight for saber-toothed tigers now overreacts to a LinkedIn buzzword. You're not overreacting. Your brain is misfiring. Your threat detector is stuck in 1998 firmware. It's calling a TPS report the same as a jungle ambush. Pause. Now vote, thumbs up if you felt that Ohio surge today, thumbs down if you're still in denial. Comment reboot and tell me which meeting triggered it.